Okay, so this is one of the ways of factorizing. When you've got four terms, okay? Four terms, normally with four terms, we talk about grouping. You group these two together, you group those two together. Or you check which ones looks like they fit together, okay? So in this case, I can see there's a common factor, 4x and 4x. So for the first two, I can take that out. I can say it's 4x and then b plus c, okay? I got a common factor 4x and then b plus c in the bracket. Yeah, I've got a common factor of 3, and then I've got b plus c. Okay, so you see, we first look in the first two if you can find a common factor, and then for the last two, can you find a common factor? If you can, then you take it out, and now we can see there's a b plus c and there's a b plus c. So now I know what to do. It's b plus c, and then the second bracket will be 4x plus 3. Okay, 4x stays behind, 3 stays behind. I took out the b plus c, put it in the front. Okay, now for this one, look at the common factor k. I can take out the k. There's a k and a k, so I can put the k in the front, and then I've got c minus 3. And now you got to be careful. I took out the k here, which was easy, but here, it's more difficult to see the common factor. It's actually 4 or negative 4. I can take out negative 4, and then negative 4 times c gives you negative 4c. Now be careful. Negative 4 times what gives you 12?
3.
Negative 4 times negative 3. Because a negative times a negative gives you a positive.
Yes.
So it's got to be negative 4 times negative 3. So now again I've got a common factor. There's c minus 3 and c minus 3. Put it in the front. And then in the bracket I've got k minus 4. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Então, eu levar depois.
Sir,